Students, in this chapter, Minerals and Power Resources, today we will learn about distribution of minerals. Minerals are found in different types of rocks. Metallic minerals are more commonly found in igneous and metamorphic rocks, but can also be found in sedimentary rocks. Some of the largest iron and gold deposits are found in sedimentary rocks. Non-metallic minerals are found in all types of rocks. Now, let us see the distribution of minerals in the world. China and India are both known for their large iron reserves. Asia produces more than half of the world's tin. In fact, China, Malaysia, and Indonesia are among the world's leading tin producers. China is also leading producer of minerals like lead, antimony, and tungsten. At least 2/3 of the world's known crude oil and natural gas reserves are found in Asia. This continent also has enormous reserves of bauxite. Besides this, deposits of manganese, nickel, zinc, and copper are also found here. The variety of mineral resources have been a key to Europe's successful economic development. Europe is the leading producer of iron ore in the world. Several European countries like Russia, Ukraine, Sweden, and France have large deposits of iron ore. Besides this, minerals like copper, lead, zinc, manganese, and nickel are found in Eastern Europe and European Russia. North America, the third largest continent of the world, has mineral deposits which are located in 3 zones: the Canadian region, the Appalachian region, and the mountain ranges of the west. The Canadian region is famous for iron ore, nickel, gold, uranium, and copper reserves. The Appalachian region has deposits of coal. Western corridors have vast deposits of copper, lead, zinc, gold, and silver. South America contains about 1/5 of the world's iron ore reserves. The most important beds are located in Brazil and Venezuela. Brazil is the largest producer of high-grade iron ore in the world. Nearly all of copper is found in Chile and Peru, which makes them the leading producers of this mineral. South America is also rich in minerals like gold, silver, zinc, chromium, manganese, bauxite, mica, platinum, and diamonds. Mineral oil is found in Venezuela, Argentina, Chile, Peru, and Colombia. Africa has the world's richest concentration of minerals. It is the world's largest producer of diamonds, gold, and platinum. Africa contains 40% of the world's diamond reserves. Oil reserves are found in Nigeria, Libya, and Angola. South Africa holds the world's largest natural reserves of gold, platinum, group metals, chrome ore, and manganese. Australia is known not only for its natural beauty but for its mineral wealth as well. This country has the largest reserves of bauxite in the world. It has huge reserves of coal too. It is rich in manganese, copper, lead, zinc, and gold. Many scientists believe that Antarctica is a place of unlimited resources. Unfortunately, the harsh climate, short work season, and thick ice make the extraction of these resources very difficult. Geologists believe that rock layers such as those in Antarctica commonly contains large amount of cobalt, chromium, nickel, copper, iron, gold, silver and platinum. Thank you students for watching the video.